My friend Natalie, I asked her for some constructive criticism on our videos, and she said she doesn't like to watch people do a hike, or maybe she doesn't like to watch us, but Natalie, this is for you. We're going to go do a hike up in West Virginia.
West by God, Virginia.
West by God, Virginia. Just off the top of my head, I think it's Bald Knob or something. Maybe off the top of Peyton's head.
Yeah, Bald Knob. Bald Knob.
Guess what? It's closed on Monday, Tuesday. Now, Peyton did read that, so don't be laughing that you saw we learned our lesson when that Bar Harbor, that brewery's closed. But anyway, so now no ski lift, no ticket. We gotta hike up and down if we're gonna do it.
How's it going?
Skiing.
This is where some of those, what do you call them?
Fly traps?
The ski
Poles.
No, where people do the
Cross country.
cross country. They said they do that here. I don't think they do it uphill, but
Bambi!
well, Bambi was here. Here, she just left. Yeah, you can't see it, but our campground is right here. Winston is actually parked right behind this travel trailer. Nice. This up here is some ski runs. You see it come down the mountain. And then this chairlift goes actually straight up through here.
Listen, it's Canon Valley
State Park.
It is. The state park is in Cannon Valley Resort and Conference Center. So if you stay here, you get access to $7 a day. You can swim, work out. There's a hot tub. There's ski lifts when they're open, chair lifts to come up here.
There's a great golf course.
So it's a state park and a convention center resort. So pretty affordable too, like $50 a night. I'm sure, and we don't have full hookups. We don't have sewer. They're there, but they're not active yet, so it's locked. But either way, even if it was open and it was $65 a night, you get all this. It's a nice spot in West Virginia, just outside of Davis. You're at 1.2 in, and you see a sign. What's it say on that other side? Huh. What would you do?
I'm going straight up.
Straight up?
Straight up. So where we've hit is right here. So straight up is going to take us to the Overlook, and you've got to come back down.
That last time we did an Overlook
Nope.
in Glacier.
Way different.
Easier.
Way different.
You don't have any ticks on you yet.
Good.
Oh man, I hope this is a good view. Better be worth it. It's like a 360.
Yes,
I'm gorgeous. Thanks, honey. Yes. Thank you. Wowee. All right. Climb up 1.12. Get up to the top of this.
Yep, you can just see the top of Winston.
Okay.
Travel trailer down there, and you can see the white roof right behind it.
Oh, I
So
can't.
if you see that pond area, the woods, the pond area,
Uh-huh.
then next up you'll see a white blob. That's the travel trailer, and right behind it is us. Winston's hanging out. Back over here is the lodge.
I don't see a pond. I see a green patch. Let's see.
See this green patch down here?
Oh, there's
Trees.
one. I got it. Uh-huh.
Pond. Yep.
Yeah, we're over there.
golf course right here. And if you stay up this road, 32, you will go to Davis. So,
We're done. Let's go down.
done.
It's a wrap.
We're gonna go over here to the ski lift area
Oh,
and make our way down that way. What do you think?
I'm following you, so I guess I gotta. So it is a straight up hike, but it's only like 1.2 to the Overlook. And it overlooks. Ooh, what are these birds? What are you birds? Maybe bald eagles? West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home.
Stop.
Oh,
God.
woo! Karaoke night. I definitely wouldn't win.
No, you wouldn't.
I don't care. I can't have all the talent.
They'd ask you to leave before everyone else did.
It's a bird call. Caw-caw, caw-caw.
By a freaking board.
Where the boars, where the moose, where the bears. There's lots of deer here in this state park. We saw those last night. One looks like. Hi. A lot of flies. A lot of wildlife flies.
What'd you expect?
Oh,
Mother Nature, man.
Mother Nature, man.
I'm almost at 2.15 miles
2.21.
and an hour 22 minutes. So it was 1.2 miles up to the Overlook, and it took us about 40 minutes to get up there, and we didn't really rush it. So not too bad. If we'd have continued on up to where the ski lift is, I think it would have been another half a mile or mile. But I think we saw everything we could see from there, and the ski lift is closed, so you can't ride it down today. But if you can ride it down, that's an option. Go all the way up to the top of the ski lift and ride it down.
Get your ticket first.
Go over here to the pub, get your ticket at the ski lift area,
Hike and ride down.
and then hike it up and ride it down, or vice versa.
Natalie, we're keeping this hike video short because we want you to watch the entire thing, okay? Blackwater Falls State Park. Remember when we were at the Flume Gorge and the rocks? Did these fall from the Ice Age? Or whatever that
Probably.
history was? 300 billion years ago.
300 million years ago.
Billion.
Oh, billion.
Billion, million.
One more.
These falls are supposedly the most photographed falls
In the state of West Virginia.
in the state of West Virginia. You'll find it on calendars and on posters. Let's go get some prime footage. West Virginia. Almost heaven. Aw, that's cute. Alright, Blackwater Falls along the Waterfall Trail. That's cool. And let me tell you about Blackwater Falls State Park. 1853, David Hunter Strother was writing. Pristine wilderness stood virtually undisturbed. I hear it, but I don't see it yet. Oh, there it is.
You missed it. It was 230 million years ago.
Oh, I said billion.
Yeah.
Panoramas. Okay, so 230 million years ago. You are here. Alright, let's go check it out. Gotta look down or I'll fall. I do love a waterfall. And I love a hike. One that's simple and then one where there's a reward at the end, like a waterfall. So, let's go see this thing. Miles downstream. Getting louder and louder. How quickly do you realize as you're going down something, downstairs, down whatever, that you have to actually go back up? Fun.